When someone says I only have this much, so here's something that I would think be interested from the beginner perspective is say you're looking at two different stocks. Say you have $1,000 to invest. You're looking at two different stocks. And for simple math, let's say one of them is Facebook and they're about $250 a share. Then let's say the other one is like Planet 13, and let's say they're $10 a share, right? So if they only have $1,000, but they could get way more shares of Planet 13, the smaller company, saying they like them both equally and similarly, I mean, do you think for someone who's new, they could get quote unquote more bang for their buck investing in a company that has smaller price share?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really make a difference. It only matters about the percentage gain and the dollar amount gain. So if it's the same dollar amount, all it matters is like the percentage gain. At the end of the day, like how a newer person to like the stock market should really be thinking is that first you got to understand like this is an actual company you're investing in. When you buy a share of a stock, if you use Facebook as an example, you buy one share of Facebook, you are now literally part owner of Facebook, a very, very, very small owner of Facebook, but you are. And so, I mean, how you should really be thinking is about the business first. Like, how much do you really believe in that business over the coming years? And then you can start to look at more of the financials and the revenues and the net income and things like that, all financially available information. You can Google this stuff like Facebook Investor Relations or whatever company it is out there and get all that data. But yeah, you should really be looking at it from a perspective of you're becoming part owner in that business, and do you believe in that over the coming years? And that if you sell out 3 years from now, 5 years from now, the share price is going to be, let's say, elevated versus where you bought at. That's the name of this game.